Hi, this is Leslievillegeek, and today we will show you how to turn your TV into a smart TV. All you'll need is a Google TV and a Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. First, you're going to want to locate the HDMI on your TV. Plug in your Google TV to the HDMI port and take the charging cable and plug that into the Google TV and then into the wall. Next, power on your TV and go to the HDMI source. There you'll see a welcome menu where you can select your language. You're going to want to download the Google Home app, so make sure you take this time to download it and open it. The Google Home shouldn't take too long to download. After that's downloaded, open it up. The Google Home will continue setting up, asking you for your location settings and other information like that. Give it to Google at your disposal. Next, the application will search for your Google TV in the area. You can set up your Chromecast by taking a picture of the QR code on screen or entering the code that you see on the screen in front of you. Google will ask you some questions about setting up the device, asking you where it is, and then next it'll ask you to input your Wi-Fi password. Now we're towards the end of our setup. First, you must perform a software update on your Google TV. After that, Google will sample your voice so that you can perform voice control options with your Google TV. And lastly, Google TV will ask you which apps you'd like to download. These apps are especially useful for watching movies and watching TV and making your TV the smart TV that you are looking for. So the Google TV system is fully voice controllable as well. So if I want to watch my favorite TV show on Netflix, all I'd have to say is Naruto on Netflix, and it'd bring up the show right where I left off. With Google TV Voice Control, you can search many different libraries including Amazon Prime, YouTube, and even Spotify. Watch as I try voice recording with Amazon Prime. I'm gonna just say, watch Buffy the Vampire Slayer on Prime Video, and here's the show. And if I say, play Telephone on Spotify, it'll bring up Lady Gaga. Thank you for watching the video, and make sure to check out our upcoming videos on how to use the Google TV to cut your cable today.